Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. I have a problem with my gas range. It's not working. Look at this. See? Everything is new. I changed the gas tanks. 2 of them I changed. See, it only lights for a few seconds. Not one of them, no? Okay, but you see, the oven is working. See? So, the problem is somewhere here up. The connection towards this area. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, put it on. It's also on. Yeah. So this is the big problem. So I need somebody to fix this, or else yeah. This is a shame because the oven is working and this area is not. If I buy a new one, the one that's on the countertop only, no oven, it's gonna use the same. I'm gonna use the same, right? The same tubing, or else I'm gonna put another table at this side here. Yeah, for the new burner. So I'm gonna have 2 connections. Anyway, I have 2 tanks also. So, but I hope this area could be fixed. Magandang araw po mga kapumbagos. Ngayon po ako natulong sa inyo about sa aking gas range po. Ayan, naka-on yan. Naka-on yung gas. Tingnan niyo po. Okay po siya. Sumisindi. Ito sumisindi pero hot ka agad. Yan, hindi rin. Bago po ang gas tank nito. Kakapalit lang po. Pero yung oven po ay okay. Ayan po. So, ito lang po talaga ang problema. Ang oven po ay okay naman. Ano po kaya ang problema dito? Salamat po sa tulong. Take a look at this. It's working now. But only one of the 4 burners. Maybe what happened was, you see there's a hole for the gas to come out in the middle. Yeah, I think it's clogged because of the oil. Yeah, so I put the drainer opener liquid, yeah, which dissolved the oil, so the gas is out now. It's okay now. At least I can use 1 burner. At least one of them only is enough. Thank you.